Struggling to manage your money? You're not alone. But here's the good news. There's a simple rule that can change everything. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, 20% for your future. It's easy, it's balanced, and most importantly, it works. Want to master your finances? It all starts here. Welcome to You Are Undefeated, a place to share knowledge and thinking to help you improve and develop yourself. If you have any questions or want me to write about any topic, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. 1. The rule that simplifies everything. Sometimes life can feel overwhelmingly complex, with countless decisions and endless information to process. But what if there was a single rule that could cut through the noise and make everything clearer? The rule that simplifies everything is to focus on what truly matters, identifying your priorities and letting go of distractions. By concentrating your energy on the essential, you can reduce stress, make better choices, and find greater satisfaction in your daily life. 2. Needs, wants, wealth. Understanding the distinction between needs and wants is fundamental to building true wealth. Needs are the essentials: food, shelter, health, that sustain us. Wants, on the other hand, are desires that add comfort or pleasure, but are not crucial for survival. By consciously prioritizing needs over wants, individuals can allocate resources more effectively, avoid unnecessary spending, and cultivate a sense of financial security. Ultimately, true wealth arises from mindful choices and appreciating what genuinely enriches our lives. 3. The anti-stress formula. The anti-stress formula centers on simplifying routines and creating intentional boundaries. By establishing clear limits on commitments and learning to say no, individuals can protect their time and mental energy. Incorporating mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing or short daily meditations, can further reduce anxiety and foster a sense of calm. Ultimately, this approach empowers people to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, leading to a more balanced, peaceful, and resilient way of living. 4. Why most budgets fail. Many people set out with the best intentions, yet most budgets fail because they overlook the importance of flexibility and realistic expectations. Rigid plans that don't account for life's unpredictability can quickly become discouraging. Additionally, failing to track small everyday expenses often leads to overspending. Successful budgeting requires regular review, honest reflection, and adjustments as circumstances change. By embracing adaptability and staying mindful of financial habits, individuals can create a sustainable path toward their goals. 5. Give your dollars a job. Assigning a specific purpose to every dollar you earn is a powerful way to take control of your finances. Rather than letting money slip through your fingers, decide in advance where each dollar will go, whether it's saving for emergencies, paying bills, or investing in your future. This intentional approach not only curbs unnecessary spending, but also creates a sense of direction and accomplishment, making it easier to reach your financial goals and maintain lasting peace of mind. 6. It's not about perfection. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Embracing this mindset allows us to let go of unrealistic expectations and the pressure to have everything figured out. Instead, we focus on steady improvement, learning from mistakes, and celebrating small wins along the way. By shifting our attention from flawless outcomes to meaningful growth, we create space for resilience and self-compassion, making it easier to navigate challenges and continue moving forward with confidence and purpose. 7. Start here, win later. Starting with clear intentions sets the stage for long-term success. By taking small, deliberate steps today, you lay a strong foundation for future achievements. Each decision, no matter how minor it may seem, contributes to your overall progress. Embrace the process of learning and adapting, knowing that early efforts compound over time. Remember, winning later is the result of consistently choosing to begin with purpose, focus, and a commitment to growth right from the very start. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just a budget, it's a blueprint for control, a blueprint for freedom, Stop letting money control you. Start making your money work for you. 50% on what you need, 30% on what you love, 20% on your future. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your financial world change. You are undefeated. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.